Got it on?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go through the process. First, you got the dough. Since that takes the longest because you gotta let it rise 2 times. You can look on YouTube and get a video of how to make good dough. Pizza
Looks like a donut to me.
Yeah. There's enough for 3 pizzas at least with just 1.5 pounds of flour. That's 5 cups of flour. So now you got the dough ready, and then you gotta do, well, this is a chicken pizza. So you take and cut up pieces, you can come over and get a close up on this chicken. Not on my face.
Sure.
Okay. The chicken, you take the chicken breast, cut it up into little pieces, flavor it really good. How do you like it? Got the cheese all ready. We do a 2-cheese pizza. 2 different kinds of cheese. Mozzarella, the other one I don't know what it is. Then you got the olives, garlic, you got your peppers and onions.
This is all organic, by the way.
And you got your pizza sauce. What we do is take about 4 nice red tomatoes, blend them up, and then you take maybe a bag of tomato paste, mix it up, cook it down, and you got your tomato sauce with oregano and a little bit of sauce. Or a little bit of salt, I mean. Okay, now we'll go through the process of getting it together. Now you let your sauce cool down a little because you don't want to get the dough too soggy. And you want to go heavy on the sauce, that's good. Not too heavy because then it's going to be hard to cook. Get it crusty. Alrighty. Sometimes we do it even like you do a spaghetti sauce. So you can do it with onions and peppers and everything if you want. Get it real nice and flavorful. Now you got the sauce. You always want a little left over to dip your pizza in. That's the best. Okay, now we gotta put the cheese on. That's usually Sean's job, but he's got the camera. Do one at a time. One of the cheese. It's a 2-cheese pizza. So we gotta make sure we do separately the cheese so it gets both of them all over.
One's goat cheese and one's pig cheese.
Pig cheese. This cheese is a little bit hard. I don't know, this goat cheese is like too much buttery, but mozzarella cheese probably be better, but we didn't have it. Can't be afraid to get your hands in the food. As long as you wash your hands once a day, you're fine. Alright, we got the cheese on there. Now we're going to put garlic.
Organic garlic, that is.
Everything here is organic. They never heard of canned food. Cancer free. You can cut up enough garlic here. I have no idea where the garlic actually went.
Someone's gonna get a surprise.
Now we'll do some olives. It's going to get half of the pizza with olives, not even. We used it up on the last one. We'll cut up some more after the video. Finish off. Alright, now I'm going to do the chicken.
Pre-cooked.
Pre-cooked chicken. Chicken breast. Actually, This should be chicken breast, but again, I used the chicken breast on something else, so I actually cut this off of other parts of the chicken.
It's chicken off the bone. Dark meat.
It's good if you have it. If you're wealthier than we are, well then you can use bigger chunks of chicken.
I'm drooling all over the camera.
Just don't drool on the pizza, whatever you do. Flavored this chicken with a little bit of garlic, blended garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano. What else? A little bit of multi-seasoning. We try not to use much seasoning here. We try to be healthy.
That just ruined the organic pizza. Why'd you have to put that in there?
What?
All seasoning.
I hardly put any. Just barely. And now we go with the onions. You gotta make sure it's gotta be picture perfect.
It's gotta be red onions. Forget about the white ones.
Yeah.
They're not good.
Plus white onions don't look as good.
It's all about combining the looks with the taste. If you could mold those two qualities together,
You would have the
chef.
You would have the perfect husband like me. Looks and taste.
With a big nose. Ryan's got a nose for making pizza.
I knows what I'm talking about, man.
There's your traditional sheet pizza. The other one's a round pizza. This one here is a sheet pizza.
No, we didn't get... We'll show you what the other pizza looked like in a minute. It's already in the oven cooking. Okay, got the onions on here. I like to go half and I love onions, so it's good if you have mushrooms, but again, we're too poor for that. We live on, what's our budget for food here? $30 a week. No, 45. 45 for 3 people. And we stick to it.
Of course we budgeted in the beer.
Yeah.
That's first on the list.
We get 1 beer a week. That's not a lot either. I already had mine. Sean's got 1 beer left.
It's calling my name right now. It's gonna go perfect with this pizza.
Alright. We're good.
And that's it. Closing thoughts?
Oh, you gotta show the other pizza.
Let's see what we got cooking in here.
Oh yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's puffing up big time.
Give it a little look at the cows outside.
Show our backyard.
That's where we get our milk.
Gotta show our beautiful backyard. Oh yeah.
We don't have a dryer. That's how we dry clothes. Bananas.
Papaya, banana, pineapple, membrillo. Well, we got everything. Lemon. We're good.